If casinos could keep only one table game, it probably wouldn't be blackjack or roulette. It would be baccarat. And the reason has almost nothing to do with the house edge. People assume casinos love games where players lose the fastest. That's not true. Casinos love games that quietly make the most money over time. And baccarat does exactly that. Here's why. Reason number 1, big money, small risk. The banker bet has one of the lowest house edges in the casino. That sounds like good news for players. Ironically, it's also good news for casinos. A low house edge builds confidence. Players are comfortable betting more, especially high rollers. And when millions are wagered every day, a small mathematical edge becomes enormous revenue. Casinos don't need a huge advantage. They need volume. Reason number 2, baccarat attracts the right customers. Walk into a VIP gaming room almost anywhere in Asia. You'll find baccarat. That's because wealthy players overwhelmingly prefer it. The rules are simple. The pace is fast, and huge bets don't look unusual. One player can wager more in an hour than dozens of casual players combined. For a casino, that's incredibly efficient. Reason number 3, the game never stops. Unlike poker, players aren't competing against each other. Unlike blackjack, there are almost no decisions slowing the game down. One hand finishes, the next begins, again and again. More hands per hour means more money wagered. Over time, that's exactly what casinos want. Not dramatic wins, consistent action. Here's the biggest misconception. People think baccarat became famous because players love it. The reality is, casinos love it just as much. Because it attracts wealthy customers, moves money quickly, and generates reliable revenue year after year. That's why baccarat became the centerpiece of Macau's casino industry. Not by luck, by design. So the next time you see a baccarat table, you're not looking at just another casino game. You're looking at one of the most profitable businesses on the casino floor. If this changed how you see baccarat, comment House Edge and subscribe for more stories about the business, psychology, and hidden world behind high-stakes gambling.